According to Jaquise Cousteau, I'm not sure if I got that name right, so I'm sorry if I butchered it, but I don't know how to pronounce it. So, water and air, the two essential fluids on which all life depends, have become global garbage cans. Ocean pollution has been going on for years. It's continuing to grow, and it's not ever going to stop. I'm here to inform you about the difference in our oceans now compared to years ago, why the oceans are important to our environment, and how much trash goes into the ocean per year. Now, oil spills have increased by 17% in 2013. That's insane. That's quite a bit for oil spills. Not only that, but 2 million tons of human waste are disposed in the ocean every single day. That is a lot of human waste. 2 million tons? That's a lot. That's insane. The ocean stores 50% more carbon dioxide than our atmosphere. We need the oceans to live. That carries most of our air. It has a lot of our life in it. It's important to our environment, and since the ocean covers 70% of our Earth, most of the heat is transported from the oceans. So our warm weather, or the heat, is usually transported from the oceans. The oceans have a lot of heat in it because it covers 70% of the Earth's surface. Another crazy thought is that 8 million tons of plastic goes into the ocean each year. Not just it's not usually different each year, but it's 8 million tons each year, which is insane. I don't understand, it's usually made up of these things called plastic pellets. And pretty much what plastic pellets are these, pretty much plastic does not decompose because I don't really know, it just doesn't decompose. And it especially does not decompose in the ocean. So pretty much we have these plastic things floating around in our oceans, and we're not cleaning it up, and people are not trying to clean it, and it doesn't just decompose into the ocean, or it's not healthy for the ocean, because it does kill animals, and not even just animals, but the fact that there's so much of it, it just isn't healthy, and it ruins our atmosphere because it's so dirty. But pretty much what plastic pellets are these things in the oceans that form when there is a lot of plastic in it. So there could be a plastic water bottle or say a plastic bag, and they might connect to each other and form a plastic pellet pretty much, which is, I never really knew that, and it's kind of cool to me. Not cool obviously, but it's wow, I didn't know that could happen. It's insane to me that the ocean has so much pollution in it when it's so important to our environment. I'm hoping that by me informing you about this stuff, it makes you look at the ocean a little bit differently, or maybe it makes you think about what you're putting into the ocean, or whenever you use plastic, really, because metal straws are a big thing going on right now. So maybe you might start using metal straws because of my informative speech. But it's insane to think that ocean pollution is just continuing to grow and we're not trying to do anything to help it. And it's just crazy.